Hi friends, welcome to Money Value YouTube channel. Today I am going to say about the link your PAN card with Aadhaar card. Easy steps and simply and fastly, just will take a few seconds. You had to see the step by step, you have to follow the step by step. So don't scroll and don't skip the video. Just go into the Google, click on the Google. And type the e-filing. After typing the e-filing, you will see the income tax website. After getting into the income tax website, you will see the link Aadhaar card. Click on that. It will mention the PAN card number. Box is mentioned. You have to type your PAN card number. And below you will see the Aadhaar number. In the box you will fill the Aadhaar number. And the right side some notification is there, important with a red mark. That is saying the name, date of birth and the gender should be matched with your PAN card and Aadhaar card. Many of them in a PAN card the surname will be in the front or back, or somewhere there will be a spelling mistakes in the PAN card, Aadhaar card. It will not be same. Not even the name, the date of birth and the gender will be something by mistake it will be done. So without mistake, check the PAN card, Aadhaar card, it should be same. And in the third column you will see the name as per the Aadhaar. So in Aadhaar what the name is mentioned, you type that. The fourth one you will see that I have only births in Aadhaar. It means to say in Aadhaar, previously in Aadhaar it's only mentioned the year. After updating, it will be changed from month, date and year. If you are having the Aadhaar card, old one without date of birth and month and year, you just tick it, then select that one. The fourth column you will see the agree with valid my Aadhaar details. It means to say what you had mentioned, it should be valid. You should agree. Just click on it. In the below side you will see the captcha code image. What the image is mentioned, you type in that box, or you can you can click here. Beside that you will see the another captcha code if you could not understand the captcha code, or else in the below you can see the request for OTP. Just now. Yeah, click on the OTP. It will mention the box with your mobile number. Enter your mobile number and it will give the OTP. After OTP, click on the link Aadhaar. You will get a message. You had completely successfully. Okay friends. Another thing, you cannot take a printout of this copy. Just you have to take a screenshot and you can take for the printout. Why this had been mandatory? Because many of them using the double PAN card to avoid the tax. So government had implemented link your PAN card with Aadhaar card. So he cannot do any miscellaneous, any other wrong things. Okay. So please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the latest videos, and you can see in Blogger or the details with the step by step. Okay. So please subscribe, like and share it. Thanks for watching my video.